Don't waste your time. Time is very limited, and still many people, they are just wasting their time without recognize. Don't do it. Make sure you are doing something which is valuable, which is going to help you to improve your future. Because if the time is gone, bro, this time never come back to us. So make sure you are using your time on something which is valuable to you. Hello my viewers, my name is Soumen, and today I am going to explain how we can use our time on something which is important to us. I am going to explain how to do that, but before we start, I want to say to every of one, please watch the video till the end, because I am definitely sure this video is going to help you to understand how you can use your time on something which is important. And if you new to watch my video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, because I make this kind of content about self-development and also learning English language fluency. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, and let's start. Today I am going to explain how we can use our time on something which is valuable to us. But still many people, without recognize, they are just spending time on something which is not valuable. Even though some people know, they spend their majority of time on something which is not going to help them to improve their self, to improve their future, but still they are just spending time on something which is not valuable, like using social media, spending time with their friends, watching movies, playing video games. Do you really think it is going to change yourself? It is going to help you to improve your future? If you think that it is not going to change anything, if you think that it is not going to help you to improve your skills, to improve your future, then please stop doing those things. Stop spending time on those things which is not important. And many people, we make mistakes. We spend our majority of time on something which is not valuable. And nowadays it is common, we spend many times on social media without recognize. Don't do it, bro. It is not going to change yourself. It is not going to help you to improve your skills. Stop spending time on something which is not valuable. I'm telling you again, stop doing those things, because time is very important. Time is limited, because if the time is gone, this time never come back to us. You need to understand that facts. Time is limited. Time is very important to use. Use your time on something which is valuable. If you think that improving yourself is important to you, then please invest your time on those things. Invest your time on something which is valuable. How can you be productive? How can you use your time on something which is important to you? First, I want to say to every of one, make plans, because many people, they don't have any plans to work on themselves, to work on their goals. So you have to make plan first and write down your plan, write down your thought, what you are going to do and what's important to you. Write down those things, and also mention that time, because we write down our plan, we make plan, but we forgot to write down the time when we are going to execute our plan, and that's why we confuse when we are going to do it. We don't have enough time, we make excuse. Don't do it, bro. Write down your plan, and also write down the time when you are going to execute your plan, because this is very important. Your mind will remind yourself that you have to do certain things which is important to you in this time. So write down your plan, write down your thought, and also mention the time when you are going to execute your plan. This is very important to be productive. This is very important to use your time on something which is valuable. So please stop wasting time on something which is not important. It really does not matter what you do, how much money you have. You cannot buy time. If the time is gone, this time never come back to us. And lots of people, they get regret in their future because they did not spend their time on something which is valuable. Don't put yourself in that situation. Try to recognize that where you spend your majority of time. If you think that you spend your time on something which is not going to help you to improve yourselves, to achieve success in life, then please stop doing those things. Those things are not going to help you, bro. Try to understand that. And especially youth people, they waste their time without recognize. Most of the time we spend our time on social media, playing video game, watching movie, those things are not going to help us. You have to understand that facts. Those things are not going to help us to improve ourselves, to improve our skills. If we cannot improve ourselves, if we cannot improve our skills, then how is it possible for us to achieve success? So you have to make sure you are doing something which is so important to you, which is going to help you to bring success in life. Use your time on something which is important. Make sure you are doing something which is valuable, which is going to help you to be productive. Don't do any of those things which is not important to you. I'm telling you again, because lots of people still they are just wasting time without recognize. Even though they don't try to understand that they are just wasting time on something which is not going to help them to achieve success. Stop doing those things, bro. Make plan. Write down your plan, write down your thought, and also write down the time when you are going to execute your plan. Get out your comfort zone. Don't stay in your comfort zone. Get out your comfort zone. Take action. Because without taking action, you cannot change your situation. You cannot become the person who you want. You have to take risks in order to achieve success. You have to use your time wisely to become the person who you want. I know every each of one has potential to do anything or achieve anything what we want, but we get scared. We think that it is not possible for us. We could not recognize that we have potential to achieve anything what we want out of our life. You have to realize your potential. Before doing something, you have to believe that it is possible to you, because if you could not believe in yourself, if you don't think that it is not possible to you, then you can never make it happen. So you have to believe in yourself, you have to trust yourself and take action. Get out your comfort zone. It can be possible. I'm telling you, you can become anyone who you want. Believe in yourself. Use your time on something which is valuable to you. Think about what's important to you, who you want to become in life, what's your goal. Write down the plan, write down your goal, write down your passion, because those things are going to remind yourself you have to do something which is valuable to you. Don't waste time, bro. So now I hope you understand how you can use your time on something which is valuable to you, which is going to help you to bring success in life. So please stop wasting time on something which is not valuable, spending time on something which is important to you. Thank you so much guys for watching me. I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell, turn on the notification. Today's for that. I will be back very soon. Bye guys.